Hi, my name is Cindy Cisneros, owner of Creatively LLC, and this is part of your business basics courses. And we are going to talk about branding yourself as an artist today. Now, branding yourself as an artist is a little bit different than branding yourself as a business owner in some aspects, and in some aspects is the same. So this is the overview of what you're going to find in a longer video about branding as an artist. So if you're interested in the full tutorial, then head over to the longer video, and it also goes with an article on the same topic. So I think learning is best when you can listen and you can absorb the written content at the same time. So if you want the whole suite of information, then click on the link in my profile for the free business basics courses for artists. Now, when you are branding yourself as an artist, what is one of the most important things to remember is your brand is made up of your artistic identity as an artist. So we talk a lot as artists about your story, your personal journey, your inspiration. So part of your brand might be defined by the work that you're doing right now, but the larger part of your brand is going to be defined by the work that you do altogether and what inspires you to do the work that you do. Make work in general. So to learn more about how to present and develop your brand as an artist, take a look at that longer video.